This is question number 1 from GS paper 2 of mains 2023 examination. Question is, faster economic growth requires increased share of manufacturing sector in GDP, particularly MSMEs. Comment on the present policies of the government in this regard. MSMEs means micro, small and medium enterprises. So main question is, we have to write the role of MSMEs in the Indian economy, and we have to write the present policies of government of India to promote the MSMEs. Now let's see the answer. MSMEs are the backbone of Indian economy, contributing approximately 30% of country's GDP, 45% of manufacturing output, and providing employment to 11 crores of India's population. The present policies of the Indian government are focused on increasing the share of manufacturing in GDP, particularly MSMEs. The government has implemented a number of policies to promote the growth and development of MSMEs. Some of these are: first one is Pradhan Mantri Mudra Yojana. This scheme provides loan of up to 10 lakh rupees to MSMEs as working capital for business expansion and for other purposes. Second is Prime Minister's Employment Generation Program. This scheme provides financial assistance to unemployed youth and educated unemployed persons to set up micro enterprises. Next is Make in India. Aim of this initiative is to make India a global manufacturing hub. It provides a number of incentives to MSMEs such as tax breaks and access to foreign markets. Another scheme is Startup India. This initiative aims to promote entrepreneurship and innovation in India. It provides a number of benefits to MSMEs such as tax breaks and access to funding. Next is credit facilities. The government provides a number of credit facilities to MSMEs through Credit Guarantee Fund scheme for micro and small enterprises, the Micro Units Development and Refinance Agency, commonly known as the Mudra Bank, and SIDBI's MSME Growth Credit Scheme. Next is Skill India Mission. Skill India Mission is a program to train youth for jobs in various sectors. The program provides a number of skill development programs for MSME workers and entrepreneurs and for aspiring workers. Next is Government e-Marketplace. This online platform allows MSMEs to sell their products and services to government agencies. This helps MSMEs to reach a wider market and to get access to government contracts. In addition to these policies, the Government of India has also set up a number of institutions to support MSMEs. These institutions include Small Industries Development Bank of India, SIDBI, the National Small Industries Corporation, NSIC, and the Khadi and Village Industries Commission, KVIC. These institutions provide MSMEs with a range of services such as financial assistance, marketing support, and technology support, etc. Thank you.